The Earth is full of incredible places. From the highest peaks to the deepest valleys, our planet is a treasure trove of natural wonders. Towering mountains pierce the sky, their snow-capped peaks standing as sentinels over the land. These majestic formations are a testament to the Earth's dynamic and ever-changing nature. Vast deserts stretch as far as the eye can see, their endless dunes shaped by the relentless winds. These arid landscapes, though seemingly barren, are teeming with life adapted to the harsh conditions. But hidden beneath the waves lies a place even more awe-inspiring: the Mariana Trench. This enigmatic chasm plunges deeper than any other point on Earth, shrouded in mystery and wonder. This crescent-shaped scar on the ocean floor, nestled in the western Pacific Ocean, is home to the deepest point known to humankind. The Challenger Deep, the trench's lowest point, reaches an astounding depth of nearly 36,000 feet. The Mariana Trench is a place of extremes. It's a realm where sunlight never penetrates, leaving it in perpetual darkness. The temperatures are just above freezing, and the crushing pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level. It's dark, it's cold, and the pressure is absolutely crushing. Yet this seemingly inhospitable environment is teeming with life. The pressure at the bottom of the trench is so immense that it would crush most human-made objects. Specialized submersibles are required to explore these depths, equipped with reinforced hulls to withstand the extreme conditions. Yet, despite these inhospitable conditions, life finds a way. Bioluminescent creatures light up the dark waters, creating a mesmerizing display of natural light. These organisms have evolved unique adaptations to survive in this extreme environment. Strange and wonderful creatures call this trench home, adapted to survive in a world that would crush most other organisms. From the eerie anglerfish with its glowing lure to the giant amoebas that thrive in the sediment, the Mariana Trench is a hotbed of biological diversity. Join us on a hypothetical journey to the bottom of the Mariana Trench. Imagine descending through the layers of the ocean, each one darker and more mysterious than the last. As we go deeper, the water pressure increases and the temperature drops. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. We'll encounter creatures that defy imagination and witness the raw power of nature in one of its most extreme forms. The Mariana Trench is not just a geological wonder, it's a testament to the resilience of life in the face of seemingly insurmountable odds. At the southern end of the Mariana Trench lies a spot known as the Challenger Deep. This trench is not just any underwater formation, it is the deepest known part of the world's oceans, a place where the ocean floor plunges to unimaginable depths. This is it, folks, the deepest point on Earth. The Challenger Deep reaches depths that are hard to fathom, even for the most seasoned oceanographers and explorers. To give you some perspective, Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on land, stands at a majestic 8,848 meters, or 29,031 feet, above sea level. This towering peak is a symbol of Earth's grandeur, and the ultimate challenge for mountaineers. The Challenger Deep? It plunges down a staggering 10,935 meters, or 35,876 feet, below sea level. Imagine the height of Everest, then flip it upside down and add even more depth. That's the scale we're talking about. That's right, the Challenger Deep is deeper than Everest is high. This comparison helps us grasp the sheer magnitude of this underwater marvel. It's a place where the pressure is so intense that it can crush submarines and where sunlight never penetrates. Named after the HMS Challenger, a British survey ship that first sounded its depths back in 1875, the Challenger Deep has captivated explorers and scientists for centuries. The HMS Challenger's expedition marked the beginning of modern oceanography, and its legacy continues to inspire deep-sea exploration. What mysteries lie hidden in this dark abyss? The Challenger Deep is a place of perpetual darkness, where the environment is as alien as the surface of another planet. It's a realm that challenges our understanding of life and the limits of human exploration. What strange creatures lurk in its depths? The deep sea is home to some of the most bizarre and fascinating life forms on Earth. From bioluminescent organisms that create their own light, to creatures with adaptations that allow them to survive in extreme conditions, the Challenger Deep is a treasure trove of biological wonders. Let's dive in and find out. The journey to the Challenger Deep is not for the faint of heart. It requires advanced technology, robust submarines, and a spirit of adventure. As we descend into the depths, we enter a world that few have seen, a place where the unknown awaits discovery. Over the years, many have attempted to explore this enigmatic trench. From early submersibles to modern-day remotely operated vehicles, each expedition has brought back invaluable data and insights. These missions have expanded our knowledge of the deep sea and pushed the boundaries of human ingenuity. Today, with cutting-edge technology, we can explore the Challenger Deep like never before. Advanced submersibles equipped with high-definition cameras and scientific instruments allow us to capture detailed images and gather crucial data from the ocean's most remote regions. The discoveries made in the Challenger Deep have profound implications for science. From understanding the origins of life, to studying the effects of extreme pressure on biological organisms, the research conducted here helps us answer fundamental questions about our planet and beyond. As we continue to explore the Challenger Deep, we embark on a journey of discovery that transcends the boundaries of our imagination. This underwater frontier holds the promise of new knowledge, new species, and new insights into the mysteries of the deep. So join us as we venture into the depths of the Challenger Deep. Together we'll uncover the secrets of this incredible the spirit of exploration that drives us to seek out the unknown. Alright, adventurers. Before we plunge into the abyss, we need a ride that can handle the pressure. Introducing our deep-sea chariot, a specially designed submersible built to withstand the crushing depths of the Mariana Trench. This bad boy is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, powerful lights to pierce the inky blackness, and enough snacks to satisfy even the hungriest explorer. Now I'll admit, being crammed inside a metal sphere hurtling towards the ocean floor isn't exactly my idea of a relaxing holiday. Give me the vast expanse of space any day. But hey, for the sake of science and a good story, I'm willing to brave the depths. As we descend, the ocean transforms from a vibrant turquoise to a deep, inky blue. Sunlight fades and the world outside our submersible windows grows darker and colder. And the pressure? Let's just say it's intense. Down here, the weight of the entire ocean is pressing down on us, and our little submersible is creaking and groaning under the strain. Honestly, the constant creaking and groaning is starting to get on my nerves. It's like being trapped inside a giant metal cookie jar with a very loud cricket. I keep expecting the whole thing to implode, leaving us stranded at the bottom of the ocean. Maybe space wasn't so bad after all. At least it's quiet up there. Section 5. Space versus the deep sea. A comedic comparison. You know, there's something oddly similar about space exploration and deep sea exploration. Both are frontiers that push the boundaries of human knowledge and endurance. They require cutting-edge technology, brave explorers, and a whole lot of courage. Both involve venturing into the unknown, facing extreme conditions, and feeling utterly insignificant in the face of something much, much larger than ourselves. Imagine the pressure, literally and figuratively, of being in a place where the environment is so hostile that one wrong move could spell disaster. But here's the difference. In space, you've got stars, planets, galaxies, a whole universe of wonder to explore. The vastness of space is filled with celestial bodies that have fascinated humanity for centuries. It's a place where you can look out and see the twinkling lights of distant stars, each one a potential sun for its own solar system. Down here in the deep sea, it's just darkness and pressure. The kind of pressure that can crush a submarine like a tin can if it isn't built to withstand it. The ocean floor is a desolate place, devoid of the light and warmth that we take for granted on the surface, and that unsettling creaking sound. It's the sound of the submersible straining against the immense weight of the water above. Every creak and groan is a reminder of just how far from home you really are. Don't get me wrong, I'm sure the deep sea has its own unique beauty. The bioluminescent creatures that light up the darkness with their eerie glow. The strange and wonderful species that have adapted to survive in such an extreme environment. It's all fascinating in its own right. But right now, all I can think about is how much I miss the sun and the stars. The feeling of warmth on my skin, the sight of a clear blue sky, the comfort of knowing that I'm not miles beneath the surface of the ocean, and the feeling of solid ground beneath my feet. There's something reassuring about standing on solid ground, knowing that you're connected to the earth. Down here it's easy to feel isolated, cut off from the world above. But that's the nature of exploration, isn't it? Whether it's the depths of the ocean or the far reaches of space, it's about pushing the limits of what we know and discovering the wonders that lie beyond. Section 6. A desert in the deep. Where's the life? You'd think that with all the talk about strange and wonderful deep-sea creatures, we'd have encountered something by now, but so far it's been surprisingly quiet on the life front. We're currently passing through a zone known as the Epipelagic Zone, which teems with marine life. But down here it's a different story. It's like we've stumbled into an underwater desert. Where are all the giant squid and anglerfish I was promised? The only signs of life we've seen so far are a few bioluminescent creatures casting an eerie glow in the darkness. I guess even the weirdest, most wonderful creatures have their limits. Section 7. Whale, hello there. Just when I was starting to think the deep sea was nothing but darkness and disappointment, something incredible happens. A shape emerges from the gloom, its massive form dwarfing our tiny submersible. It's a sperm whale, one of the largest creatures on Earth. The whale eyes us curiously for a moment, its massive eyes seeming to peer right through the submersible's hull. I swear, we even make eye contact for a second. Then, with a flick of its powerful tail, it disappears back into the darkness. Well, that was unexpected. Maybe the deep sea isn't so bad after all. Section 8, 5 seconds at the bottom of the world. After what feels like an eternity, we finally reach our destination, the Challenger Deep. The pressure down here is unimaginable, over 1,000 times the pressure at sea level. It's a testament to human ingenuity that our little submersible hasn't been crushed into oblivion. We spend 5 long seconds at the bottom of the world, 5 seconds to contemplate the immensity of the ocean, the power of nature, and the sheer audacity of human curiosity. Then, it's time to go. Section 9. Back to the surface. Never thought I'd miss the sun so much. The ascent is a blur. We rise through the water column, leaving the crushing pressure and inky blackness behind. Sunlight gradually returns, painting the water in shades of blue, green, and finally, glorious golden light. As we're hoisted back onto the deck of the research vessel, I take a deep breath of fresh air and feel the sun warm my face. I've never been so happy to be back on solid ground. The Mariana Trench may be a place of wonder and mystery, but I think I'll stick to exploring the universe from up here. Thank you very much.